Look what we got today. We got our Todd's Fridge Phonics. So I'm super excited. We're going to try this out.
Yep.
And we are going to have some fun. Let's get this open.
Yeah. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, V.
Now I know my ABCs. Next time won't you sing with me? Okay, put one in there. Let's see. Press it.
Love you.
Love you. Best mom in the world. Thank you, Ashton. Okay, let's do some letters. Let's do the letter G.
No. How did I put this in here? A.
Let's put the letter G.
A.
Yes.
Bunches of bananas.
Beautiful bunches of bananas. Let's do C now. Let's check out C, see what C does.
C. He's happy now.
C.
Crazy cow. He's happy.
Moo. He's a
happy.
crazy cow.
D. Dinosaurs.
D is for dinosaur. Let's try it. Let's do the L.
Q. Queen.
Q is quiet queen.
C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.
Okay, Ashton, what does that say?
Dog.
Yes. What letters to spell dog? What letter is that?
D, O, D.
Yeah, perfect.
Cat for princess.
Cat for princess. We have a princess named, a cat named Princess. Okay, so what letters does it take to spell cat?
C, A, T. Cat.
Yes, perfect. What sound does a cat make?
I want to get it together.
There you go. What sound does a cat make?
Meow.
Meow, meow. What does that spell?
Lion.
Lion.
I want to put them together.
Put them all together? Okay.
Yeah.
What letters do we need to spell lion?
L-I-O-N.
Lion.
Yeah.
What sound does a lion make? Really loud. I want to hear it. Wow, that was a big roar. Oh, mommy missed it. Mommy missed it. One more time. Ready? And don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos.